Good afternoon, class. I'm Spencer Highsmith, Young Farmer Advisor for Coffee County, but I also had the honor and the privilege to serve as the co-chair of the Coffee County Young Farmer Junior Board of Directors. You know, there's two important things in life, agriculture and education. Today, I get the opportunity on March 2nd, which is known as Read Across America, to express and illustrate the importance of both of these, agriculture as well as literacy and education, by reading one of my favorite books entitled Grow, How We Get Food from Our Garden by Carl Beckstrand. You know, but before we begin, we need to make sure we have our listening ears on, we're paying attention with our eyes, and we have our lips zipped. So if y'all are ready to begin, let's get started. Grow, How We Get Food from Our Garden by Carl Beckstrand. Outside my window, I see green leaves and light. My heart beats faster. Days like today make me smile. I love to work in my garden. Till and turn, hack and hoe, plow and plant, mulch and mow. Take a look at these guys using the shovel, planting plants in the ground. January to June, we harrow and weed. April to August, we water and feed. Sow by row, graft and grow. You know, there's two important things on this. Just like we need water and food to grow and grow up to be healthy and strong, our plants also need water and food to make sure that they grow big and produce us plenty of food. Thorny thorns, spiky spines, sticky sticker, prickly pines. Pollinate, germinate, prune and trim, sprout and stem, twig and limb. You know, I also have the opportunity to plant and grow pecan trees back home on my farm, and there is nothing more aggravating than getting out there in the early part of spring and trimming limbs. That's work, guys. Roots and shoots, stamen and seed, flower and fruit, wonderful deed. Do y'all know what these are growing up underneath the ground, guys? They hold and anchor that plant in place. Y'all know what it is? That's right, that's roots. Bulb, blade, blossom, bloom, bud, bow, bow, beat, bark, bulb, branch, birch, briar, burr, butterfly, bee. All of these are important indeed, because what happens is that bee pollinates that flower, and after that flower gets pollinated, it produces fruit for us. Rocks in my pocket, soil in my hair, mud in my nails, dirt everywhere. You know, that's one of the things about me. I can look at dirt and I can get dirty, guys. But you know, there is nothing more intriguing and healthy than to get dirty every now and then. But make sure you get dirty with your dirt or your work clothes. Don't get your good clothes dirty now, because your parents might get a little mad. But did you know that spiders and bees are our friends? That's right, indeed. Spiders control pests that eat plants. Bees and butterflies pollinate plants so that they can make new plants. So the next time that you see a spider and bee, don't kill them. They're important indeed. Clouds and wind, sun and showers, stalks reach high, vines climb bowers. Y'all know what these are? I bet y'all might have had this at lunch. This is actually grapes, and that makes us grape juice. Ladybugs eat aphids and ducks eat slugs. Both of these insects, such as aphids and slugs, are very bad on plants. Goats eat weeds, birds eat bugs. Petal this, thistle, needle, nettle. Seed, spore, squash, spud, nut, ear, pit, pod. These are all parts of the plant. Finally, it's harvest time. Basket, pail, crate, and bushel. These are all what we use to gather these fruits. Potatoes, tomatoes, pumpkins and peas, pansies, posies, petunias, poppies, apple, apricot, daisy, and cherry, banana, broccoli, tulip, and berry. Pull, pick, peel, pluck, snap, snip, string, and shuck. Sounds like a lot of work to harvest all these vegetables and fruits, don't it? Onion, oregano, turmeric, and thyme, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, and lime, paprika, pepper, pimento, and parsley, cinnamon, cumin, curry, and chili. This is what an onion looks like. This is a bell pepper, and this is what garlic looks like. Eggplant, asparagus, artichoke, and parsnip, tarragon, tuber, tulip, and turnip, vanilla, leek, rosemary and melon, lettuce, licorice, lavender, and lemon, black bean, pinto bean, navy bean, lima bean, celery, corn, carrot, and cucumber, cabbage, spinach, zucchini, and cauliflower, spearmint, sage, saffron, sassafras, grapefruit, grape, grain, and grass. Most grains come from grasses: barley, oats, rye, rice, wheat, and one more shown on this page. Y'all know what that is? Cayenne, currant, coriander, clove, radish, rhubarb, raspberry, and rose. Hazelnut, coconut, chestnut, walnut, pecan, pistachio, peanut, Brazil nut, kumquat, a fig, avocado, a yam, and then most importantly, that of a kiwi. How many of y'all love kumquats? That's one of my favorite fruits because I ain't got to worry about peeling them things. I just pop them in my mouth like a grape and chew them. But they kind of got to spit out the seeds every now and then. Chive, olive, dandelion, dillweed, mushroom, marshmallow, and mustard seed. Wash, dress, heat, and eat. Earth, fire, wind, and water, spring, summer, fall, and winter, north, south, east, and west, tending a garden is always the best. Thank y'all guys for y'all's attention. Thank you for the opportunity for me to share one of my favorite books entitled Grow, How We Get Food from Our Garden. Many of the vegetables and fruits listed in this book is something that many of you have available at your supermarket. And if you convince your parents, I'm sure that they'll buy you the opportunity. Always remember, guys, education is important, but without farmers, Georgia can't grow. Let's keep the agriculture industry #1 in Georgia. Thank y'all.